Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to download and sign into TurboTax. Firstly, open any browser or Google. Click on the search bar and type installturbotax.com. After that site will open. Once you're on the site, you'll see several versions. Here's what each one means. 1. TurboTax Basic, best for simple tax returns with W-2 income. 2. TurboTax Deluxe, ideal for maximizing deductions and credits. 3. TurboTax Deluxe, federal plus state, includes both federal and one state return. 4. TurboTax Premier, recommended if you have investments, stocks, or rental property. 5. TurboTax Home and Business, perfect for self-employed or small business owners. 6. TurboTax Business, for corporations, partnerships, and LLCs filing separate returns. Now, click on the version that suits your tax situation. I am clicking the basic version. Next, it will ask for your device type, either Windows or Mac. Choose your operating system, and the download will start automatically. Once the download completes, open the installer file. Follow the steps to complete the installation. After installation, launch TurboTax. Sign in using your email or mobile number. Then enter your password and click Submit. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share with others, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.